You are welcome to another important video. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $188 per day using Google Translate. This is a brand new strategy that I'm about to show you, so make sure you watch till the end. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now we are going to go into the details. So the first step is that we are going to find a product on this platform so that we can promote it and then earn money whenever we get people to patronize the product. So this method is CPA marketing, and the platform that we are using right now is CPA Grip. So we are going to be promoting products on this platform. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just come right here. Once you come here, you are going to scroll down and come to Offer Tools. So once you come to Offer Tools, you are going to click on My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to search for Netherlands, because I'm going to show you one specific product that can help you achieve your daily goal of making up to $188. So you are going to come right here and then search for Netherlands. So you are going to just type in Netherlands. So once you type in NE, you can see that Netherlands is here. So you are going to click on that so that you can find products to promote in that country. So as you can see, it is loading right now. As you can see, these are the products that we can promote in Netherlands. The good news is that you can get offers here that will pay you higher commission when you get a conversion, and the downside is that you have to promote all these products to people in Netherlands. You don't have to promote the offers to people in a different country. So that is the only disadvantage part of it. So as you can see, different offers, you can see this one, when you get a conversion, you are going to earn $14.63. You can see this one 32 cents, this one 31 cents. You can see 68 cents. So there are a lot of products that you can promote here. You can see this one $17.11. You can see this one 65 cents. And then as you scroll, so what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting this offer here. You can see the payout is $3.42. As you can see, the requirement here, pin submit. So this is a very simple offer that you can promote, and you can see that it works on all mobile phone devices. So this is one of the offers that you can get conversion easily, because it doesn't require any email submit, it doesn't require any credit card submit. Everything is just a pin code. So once you get people from Netherlands to enter a pin code, you are going to earn $3.42. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to open the offer so that we can begin promoting it. So we are just going to come here and then click on it. So once you click on the offer, this is the page that you are going to see, and honestly, I don't understand anything on this page apart from the figures here. You can see 500 euros, you can see this one $3.42, but the rest is not English. So this is where you are going to be using Google Translate to translate the language of this particular offer so that you can understand it better and then promote it to the audience. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the text. Once you copy the text, you are going to come to Google, and right here you are going to search for Google Translate. Once you search for Google Translate, you are going to click on the website right here. This is an AI translator from Google, so you can use it for free. You are not going to pay for anything. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just paste the text here so that you can translate it to English. So as you can see, select our language right here, English. Once you select the language English, you can see translate from Dutch. So the language is Dutch, so we are going to select that. So as you can see, this is the translation of the sentence. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. So that is the translation of this sentence. So now you know the language of the product. So the next thing is that you are going to copy the rest of the text. So once you come back to the offer, you are going to copy this particular sentence right here so that we can translate it and understand what they are talking about. So we are going to come back to Google Translate. So let's clear this text. Once you clear, let's paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can see the translation right here. 500 euros jumbo voucher can be yours. So this is the translation of it. So the next thing is that we are going to find a traffic source so that we can get people to sign up for the offer so that we can be paid $3.42. So we are going to be using this website, spydeals.nl. So that is spydeals.netherlands. So this is a website that people from Netherlands can get offers at a discount. So you are going to be using this particular website to promote your offers. As you can see, the language is in Dutch. As you can see, everything on the website. So this is a great website that a lot of people come here to get products at a discount. Some of them are freebies, so people come to get free items here. This website has a great rating on Trustpilot. So let me show you. As you can see, spy deals on Trustpilot, you can see that it has got 4.2 rating, and you can see here the excellent rating is 74%. You can see great is 10% out of 149 reviews. So this is a trusted website that you can use to promote the offer. So let me scroll down for you to see. So as you can see, it has negative rating and there are a lot of positive rating as well. You can see this one, very great app. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this one, always good leads, only a matter of fast follow up. As I scroll, you can see this one too. Spy Deals is an amazing and useful app for free samples. As I scroll, you can see the ratings. You can see this one, great website with app for the best deals. You can see discounts, definitely a recommendation. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see I begin my day with Spy Deals and coffee. That is a review of someone. As I scroll, you can see a lot of good reviews that people have written about this particular website. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to create an account so that you can promote the offer here for free. You are not going to be paying for anything. Everything is free. You are not going to pay. As you can see, you can just sign up with your email. You can sign up with your Facebook account. You can sign up with your Google account. So whatever that you prefer, you can use it to sign up for an account. So once you sign up for an account, you can see that the language is in Dutch. So if you want to translate them, all you need to do is that you are going to just highlight the text, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come to Google Translate and you are going to paste your text here and the translation will appear. You can see discuss, that is the translation of this particular word. Anything that you don't understand, you are going to use Google Translate so that you can translate to English so that you can understand it well. So now what we are going to do is that, as I said earlier on, you need to create an account so that you can begin using this particular website. So once you create an account, you can see this one here, deal, I don't know the last word. So as you can see right here, so you are going to just click here, deal, and the rest I can't pronounce that word. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see this particular sentence, if you don't understand, you are just going to highlight and copy it, go to Google Translate, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste the text right here. Once you paste the text, you are going to see the translation here. You can see what do you want to share. So that is the language right here. So you are going to select the first one right here. I don't know the word. So as you can see, once you click on the first option, you are going to see a page like this. You can just copy it and then go to Google Translate and you are going to paste your text right here. Once you paste it, you can see where can you find the offers. That is the question right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to go back to CPA Grip and then copy your affiliate link. So once you come back to CPA Grip, you are going to copy your affiliate link right here, as you can see it here. So you are going to just click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back to spydeals.nl and you are going to paste your offer right here. Once you paste it, you are going to click here. It simply means next, so you are going to just click on that. Once you click on next, you can see this is the page. So what they are telling you is that upload a product image. So let me copy and translate it for you to see. You are going to just copy the text. Once you copy the text, come back to Google Translate and here you are going to paste your text right here. You can see offer information. The first one is that you are going to upload the image of the offer, and when you scroll down, you can see the rest of the information that they need from you. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So we are going to begin with the product image, as you can see right here. So you are going to come back to CPA Grip, and what you are going to do is that you are going to copy this particular image. So to do that, you are going to just right click on the image. Once you right click on the image, you are going to select this option, save image as. So you click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to save the image. So you just click on save. Once you save the image onto your PC, the next thing is that you are going to upload the image right here. So you just click on upload so that you can upload the image of the product. So let's go to downloads, and this is the image. So you are going to just select that and click on open. So it's uploading right now. As you can see, this is the image of the product. So the next thing is that you are going to enter here. This simply represents the price. So let me translate it for you to see. So you are going to come back to Google Translate, and here you are going to paste your text here. As you can see, price, the new price. So this is a voucher, so you are just going to enter 00. So let's just enter 00 right here. So it's 00. Here too you are going to enter 00 because we are not going to sell anything to them. As you can see, that is done. You can see this part, you can see that it's optional. So let me translate that for you to see. I don't know what it means. So you are going to copy it and come to Google Translate, and here you are going to translate it. You can see postage cost. So when you are posting the product, and here too we don't have that. Here we are going to select this option, but before we select it, let's translate it. So you come back to Google Translate, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste the text here. You can see free shipping. So here you are going to select that option right here, as you can see. So the next thing is that you are going to enter the title of the product here. So as you can see, let me copy it and translate it for you to understand. When you come to Google Translate and you paste it right here, you can see that is title. So you are going to enter the title of the offer right here. So once you come back to CPA Grip, this is the title of the offer. So you are going to highlight and copy this particular text. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to the offer, and here you are going to paste it right here as your title. So the next thing is that you are going to write a description. So the description, what you need to do is that you are going to write it in English and then translate it to Dutch so that you can promote it to the people, because most of them might not understand the English language, so you have to translate everything. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use Google Translate. Right here you are going to select English. Once you select English here, you are going to leave it as Dutch. So you are going to type your call to actions here. Here you are going to just type something like get the chance to win. So let me copy the price that they are going to win right here. So let me copy this particular sentence. Once you copy it, let me bring it here. So get the chance to win. So we are going to just paste the text right here. As you can see, get a chance to win 500 euros jumbo voucher. So we are going to type something like limited offer. Kindly act fast to be part of this promotion. So just type a simple call to action like this. So as you can see, this is the translation of what I've just written here. So limited offer, kindly act fast to be part of this promotion. So you are just going to click on copy here so that you can copy the translated text. Once you click on copy, you are going to paste the text here as your description. So let me paste it for you to see. So as you can see, this is the text. So the next thing is that you are going to come right here and then select the category of the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select gaming. Once you select gaming, you are going to come right here and select the location. You can see the location is optional. So you can see start date. Let me translate it for you to see. So we are going to select Dutch, and then we are going to paste the text right here. The translation here, you can see start date. This is the end date. So they are optional. You can see right here optional. So you can leave it or you can enter a date. Because I want a lot of people to sign up for the offer, I'm not going to enter any start date. I'm not going to enter any end date. So once that is done, you are going to click here so that you can post the deal. So you just click on it. So as you can see, that has been done. So the deal has been posted. So if you want, copy this sentence, come to Google Translate. So you are going to paste the text right here. You can see the translation. Thanks for adding your deal. So that is what this particular sentence means. So what you are going to do is that you're going to just click on OK. So the offer is going to be live on this particular website. And what you need to do is that you have to keep on posting several of the products so that you can get a lot of people to sign up for the offer so that you can earn money on CPA Grip. So this is a simple strategy. You need to take action so that you can get the results. Don't post one offer and then wait for the results. You need to be consistent with your action so that the results will come to you. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.